Hello YouTube, this is Omar, and I've come to show you a quick tutorial on how to do a card set on a binder. If you saw my last video, which is the first Sun and Moon pack opening, you will see that these cards should look familiar, and I'm going to show you how to put them in and how to. Now, if you want to do a checklist version of it while doing this and help you keep your track, then you want to go to the PokemonCollector.com, I believe it's called. It's PokemonCollector.com. You can probably Google it and probably sign in with your Facebook if you have it, and like I do. And that will help you do is that you can find specific cards to buy individually, or keep track of what cards you already got. According to this, these two cards are part of the collection. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. Now, these two energy cards, which is like all of them basically, except for a few special secret rares, don't have their numbers on them. And that's because they are part of the collection, but you probably, if you want to put them in the book or the binder, then you need to look through that source to see which one that would go. And I've also done the calculations with the math on how much binder pages I'll be needing. They say that I'll be needing about 19 pages of these, but when you divide them in half, it goes like 9.5 of these ones are going to be used. So I got 10 pages in here. 10. And according to the website, I've already got an early one on how to go on the first page. This reverse hollow rare Butterfree, which should go in this specific spot on the third. Now, the reason how I know that is because of this thing. I'm going to try and let it focus. There we go. Now, this is how you know. You have the collection set. This is the Sun and Moon collection set. 3 out of 149 known cards. Give or take some of the secret rares and stuff. And its rarity. This star means it's a rare card. Rares. As in, like, you only get like 1 or maybe 2 of them at a time. Not including super rares. And this Yangoose one is a common, which is depicted by a circle. And this is a little farther towards the binder because it's card number 109. And let's see if I can find an uncommon. Here we go. This trainer card's an uncommon card, which is depicted by a diamond. What now? What I normally do for these videos, well, not this sort of video, but what I normally do for this kind of thing is that I look through the cards, look at their numbers, or use the website if you want, and then put them from the lowest to highest, with the lowest on top, because this is the first page. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I am back, and this is the extra card we got, which is a copy. And this is what it would look like if you had my specific pack order. It's 3, 7, 11, and so on, depending on the highest or lowest of these cards. And then you would put them in order. For me, I do double-sided to get the most out of these pages and just save them. It goes to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is divisible by 9, so if you know math, great for you. So it goes like 9, 18, 27, and so on, which makes things a whole lot easier. So, our first card is number 3, a Butterfree. So that means it goes to place number 3, right here. Sorry, but this is a little hard doing it one-handedly. And I've never used these much before. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Get in there. Oh, one corner in. There we go. No, that's number 3. And that's the start of this collection. And now, let's say, next is this Surskit, which is number 7. So, you have 3, must be 6, so this is 9. So, 6 plus 1 is 7. So, it goes right here. And now the next card, it goes to the next page, which is number 11. The Sulei. So it goes, continuing on. This is the 9, so it goes 10 and 11. So this is where this card would go. And just to show what works, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So let's put the Sulei first in. In its rightful place, number 11. Then we'll go to the next card, Bound Sweet. It is number 18. And now, this one doesn't have the same thing as the other ones because it's one-sided. So what you want to do is that you want to remember the place it's at and actually make it back and forth so it'll show up normally. And this is number 18, and this would be number 19 place. You continue on until you get done. I'm gonna go ahead and do this part. I'm pretty sure you guys get the pattern now. Just continue this on. Use the website if you need to. Oh, I'm just doing a real quick correction. I just put that one in. This is counted. This is supposed to be area 18. So I just misplaced the guard by 1 area. Okay, then and with that, I'm going to do a later video on actually the completed set, because I also need to keep track of which cards I had from the website also. Do an update video on that. And I'm going to see you guys later. And hopefully this could be helpful to someone. If you want more clarification, I'll probably put a secondary video for clarification's sake. And that's about it. Bye, guys.